Hello and welcome back to Learn Node.js on Codecademy. We're in the What is the Backend section, lesson Different Backend Stacks. Unlike the front end, which must be built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, there's a lot of flexibility in which technologies can be used in order to create the back end of a web application. Developers can construct backends in many different languages like PHP, Java, JavaScript, Python, and more. You don't need to reinvent the wheel to create a robust backend. Instead, most developers make use of frameworks, which are collections of tools that shape the organization of your backend and provide efficient ways of accomplishing otherwise difficult tasks. There are numerous backend frameworks from which developers can choose. Here are a few examples: framework Laravel, Express, Ruby on Rails, Spring, JSF, Flask, Django, ASP.NET. Those are all frameworks. Languages, PHP, the frameworks in PHP. Express, this framework is in JavaScript, runs in the Node environment. Ruby on Rails is built on Ruby, Spring Java, and so forth and so on. The collection of technologies used to create the front end and back end of a web application is referred to as a stack. This is where the term full stack developer comes from. Rather than working in either the front end or back end exclusively, a full stack developer works in both. For example, the mean stack is a technology stack for building web applications that uses MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, and Node.js. MongoDB is used as a database, Node.js with Express.js for the rest of the backend, and Angular is used as a front-end framework, while the LAMP stack, sometimes considered the archetypal stack, uses Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Zoom out. So here we're basically learning different stacks. There's back-end developer, front-end developer, full stack developer. There's different stacks like it mentioned, which just means what you use to build your web application. Some people might say they're on a mean stack, others will say they're on a LAMP stack, and that's what it would mean. If you're on a mean stack, your application uses Mongo for the databases, Express for the rest of the back end, Angular for the front end, and just knowing these things is important when deciding how you're going to build your application. And if you're getting that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.